everyone, welcome back to my channel Seek Knowledge with Hania. It's Hania here. In today's video we are going to do the exercises of the poem The Nightingale and the Glowworm. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. So now let's get started. Comprehension A part. Tick the correct interferences. There could be more than one correct option. First, for 'twas the self-same power divine taught you to sing and me to shine, that you too with music, I with light, might beautify and cheer the night. A. The glowworm was boasting that it could shine and cheer the night. B. The glowworm was telling that the nightingale that both added beauty to the night. C. The glowworm believed that both were equal as they have been created by the same divine power. The answer is both B and C. Second, the songster heard his short oration and, wobbling out his approbation, released him as my story tells and found a supper somewhere else. A. The nightingale admired the glowworm for his point of view and did not eat him but let him go. B. The nightingale sang his approval to the glowworm. C. Both the nightingale and the glowworm agreed not to harm each other. The answer is both A and B. B. Answer these questions. First, what logic did the glowworm use to persuade the nightingale not to eat him? Answer. The glowworm told the nightingale that if they admired each other, they would not harm each other because the same divine power had created them and given their talents. Question number 2. According to the glowworm, A. Which gifts did he and the nightingale have? Answer. The glowworm could shine and the nightingale could sing. B. What were the gifts to be used for? Answer. The gifts were to be used to beautify and cheer. C. Who had given them these gifts? Answer. God has given them these gifts. Question 3. Did the nightingale eat the glowworm? Why? Answer. The nightingale did not eat the glowworm because he agreed with the glowworm's logic. C. Think and answer. What do you think is the message behind the poem? Answer. The message in this poem is that all creatures are equal, all have unique talents and contributions that makes the world an even more beautiful place. Word study. D. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Answer. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, I, I, J, J, K, L, M. E part. Explain the meanings of these lines in your own words. First, he spied far off upon the ground a something shining in the dark, and knew the glowworm by his spark. Answer. The nightingale saw something shining on the ground which was far below and knew that it was a glowworm. Second, you would abhor to do me wrong as much as I to spoil your song. Answer. The nightingale would not want to harm the glowworm as much as the glowworm does not want to spoil the nightingale's song. The reason for this mutual respect is that the same God has created both of them. This video ends here. If this video was useful to you, then don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.